Welcome to Tech Vibe. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks. Let's explore how these technologies are revolutionizing our world. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are a key component of machine learning. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process information and learn from it. Neural networks are used in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. By analyzing vast amounts of data, ML algorithms can make predictions, recognize patterns, and optimize processes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of creating intelligent machines that can simulate human thought and behavior. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere